Hello everyone. Welcome to another video. So today we had our Nifty monthly expiry, and I hope it all went good for you all. But you should today was a very big example that OI doesn't work. Uh, Now if you see here, before Nifty jumped, it went to 22 from 22,500. It jumped to 22,600. So before, just at 2 p.m. So before that, look at the time is 1:42. Okay, so look at here, call OI is almost 2 crore, while the put OI is 65 lakhs. So the call OI is almost 3 times, but still it wasn't able to stop Nifty below 22,500. And that's why I tell you that do not only follow one particular data. It does not give you the correct uh, scenario or the correct analysis. So talking about what you need is some algo which will tackle all these data points and give you some output. Okay, because your human brain has some limitation and it can't tackle all these data in real time. So talking about our money flow, so I every day say that wait till 9:30, okay, for our for the market to settle down. And after 9:30, if you look at here, the score went up. Clearly the score went up, and if you just see that 9:41, the score went to 44, so it's a sign of bullishness. And let's look at 9:41 where Nifty was. Okay, before going, let me tell you something, that those who thinks that these are all fake, let me tell you two things. Okay, if these are all fake, then you can be a member. Okay, you pay, suppose you pay me 15,000 and become a member. So if I am doing this fake, I'll do it almost every day, not every day, even I'll do it for 1 or 2 days at least, right? If all these are fake, so then if I do this, you catch me, I pay you 10x. Okay, so if you pay me 15,000, I'll pay you back 1,50,000. That is, if you see someday that yes, the scores are all manipulated, दिन में कुछ और चलता है, वीडियो में कुछ और चलता है, ठीक है? So this is one point, because you will be having access to this score live during the live market hours. Okay, that is the very first point. And the second point is that if you don't believe. Okay, I totally respect your decision. Don't believe, but which are open to the public, you just check. This is the March. All the trades that were shared on Twitter, it's collected here. Just go and check the timing of the post and check the charts. And also for the April, I'll collect all the posts. If you want, you can just scroll down and check the post, because I share also many, not only just for the members, I share many trades on Twitter as well. Okay, so you can just go and concentrate only those, because those can't be fake, because Elon Musk is not my brother or my friend. Okay, so now let's come to the points. Okay, so before starting, that's what I wanted to clear up. So now let's talk about here, that is 9:41. So 9:41, let's look at here. So yes, here 9:41 was here, almost 22,390, 385, but let's pick 390. Okay, and now from there, our money flow showed bullishness. And you know that yesterday we talked about the next level, that is our level 22,476. Okay, so you know the next resistance level, and now at 9:41 it's showing bullishness. So from 22,390, you get a perfect move of 80 points. Okay, so no harm, it's a good trade. So the thing is that it got resistance there. Even this line of support, line of control, which we get through money flow, that was also shared, 22,351. Those who again don't believe, just go and check yesterday's video. Okay, so this level was also shared yesterday. Now perfectly it came there and took support and went up. So let's see, when Nifty was coming down, what was happening to our score. So let's look at the score. So Nifty came down, and the score went negative, but not highly negative, like -40, -50. It did not go. Okay, so it went slightly negative, and then again recovered to the neutral zone, again slightly negative, and then finally, like, this is where all things started. Okay, so look at here, 1302. So the score jumped here, suddenly it jumped. Okay, but then again the score here also it jumped. So I think this is somewhere the HFT guys were doing something, some adjustment, or some big, not even the FIIs or the Probdix can do some adjustment. So this is where the adjustments were going on, which our money flow caught. Okay, but then again the score went to the neutral zone. So let's see first where Nifty was. So look at here, 1306. Let's come to the chart. So this is 13. So this is almost where Nifty was flat. Okay, just before it tried, at our level 22,476, where it was getting resistance before crossing this level. So it gave a hint, and then let's come here. Before the final move at 2 p.m, our score, it was in the neutral zone. It jumped to 56.57. Look at here, 13.56. The score went to 57. Okay, so it's a clear, like it was just a -3 or 0. It jumped to 56 before 2 p.m. Because why? Because all these up moves started from this 2 p.m. onwards. Straight up move started from 2 p.m. So here it was like two red candles came on the 5 minutes chart, and our Nifty was at 22,500 exactly before this up move came. So it gave a very, very nice opportunity to take the trade. But yes, I wasn't in front of the screen. I was just having my lunch. I thought that like the score was neutral, so it will get some resistance. So chalo lunch kha ke aate. So I came back at 2:04, and I saw this happened, and suddenly like I posted it on Twitter as well. I posted it on Twitter at 2:06 p.m. So here you can very well check the time, 2:06 p.m. And even if you say that yes, at 2:06 p.m. तो move तो चला गया, तो क्या करे? Whatever trades we took after 2:06 p.m. Okay, so nothing like if you know where the HFT guys are present, what they're doing at that moment. So what they do is they take the trades suddenly. Okay, so you have to catch them there. So even when the market went up and they were taking trades at 22,600. So look at the time, 14:12. Okay, 14:12 and 14:18, where we bought at 41 and 33 respectively. So 14:18. Okay, so let's go to the charts for 14:18. So here 14:18. So this is the 1 minute chart guys, and 14:18. Okay, so this is where like it went down to 32 point something. We bought it at 33. So and we bought it at 41 at 14:12 as well. Okay, so here is 14:12. So here we bought it at 40. So it came down here. So it came down to here 41 then. So we bought it at 41 as well. Okay, during that moment. And then our average price was almost like 37, and then it spiked up to 55. Okay, so it spiked up here to 55, and I was trailing my profits, and by 5 points, and it came down and hit at 50. So that's where we got that was the first trade. But then again, when it was coming down again, I went long, because here also the HFT traders were present, and you can very well see the price came down to almost 28. Okay, so almost here 28, and then it spiked up to 70. This is what these HFT traders do in just a matter of moment. Like how many minutes? Just see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 minutes. Not even 6. This is the candle. Okay, 5 minutes. They took the trade, they took it more than 2x and done. So that's what I tell you. Like I saw these HFT guys, again I went long with them. So 22,600, bought it at 39. Look at the time, 14:23 and 14:23 and 14:30, bought it at 29. 14:30, and just after that 14:30, look at here. So this is the candle, 14:30, bought it at 29. So it went to almost 28, bought it at 29, and after that the price went to more than 70. Okay, so we closed it at 67. So our average price was at 34. So almost 1 point more, I would have got 2x. But anyways, overall both these trades gave 132%. Okay, which is more than 100% is 2x. So which is more than 2x. So again, if you want such analysis of these HFT guys, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get so for today you have this discount offer. And again, as I said you that after being a member, if you see that दिन में कुछ और चल रहा है, if you see that, like suppose you think you might be thinking that oh members channel पे तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, you gave some wrong trades in the morning, then you deleted them, only you are showing us the correct trades. Okay, so even after being a member, you will know, you will have access. Okay, so if such a thing happens, I give you 10x in return. Okay, and this is the same Telegram channel, guys. And yes, and one more thing in this video HFT. So I clearly mentioned that where the demand is more, they go and attack those positions. Why? Because where the demand is more means where the OI is more, the sellers are more, and everyone comes there to sell. So that's where they look at the demand and go and hit them. So I warned you this, okay? And now you can see a practical example today, and many of you, I think, would have got hit also. So as I tell you that, wait for your perfect opportunity. Have patience in the stock market. If you go with FOMO, nothing will happen. So that's again my, and after that, yes, after that the money flow score, yes, it went up. And like there was like after that trade, I also did not trade further. I after getting 2x, you shouldn't trade because it's a monthly expiry after all, so anything can happen as well. Talking about Bank Nifty also, if you can look at the score, so it went up in the morning and then again it was almost positive. And again Bank Nifty also before 2 p.m, if you look at here, here before 2 p.m, see the score 1354, the score went to 47. Okay, so but I wasn't looking at Bank Nifty because today is not Bank Nifty expiry, so major weightage is given to Nifty because it's Nifty monthly expiry after all. So anyways, talking about our levels, so yes, after these levels broke, so you know that we don't have any further new levels. If I have, I'll update you all. And talking about our today, so FIs are continuously selling, but it was the DIIs. So again the DIIs will do this job because election is going on and this will continue. I have been telling you, those who follow me for a long time or even have followed me for the last 1 month, I have been telling you that election time, any day you see sudden spike, sudden up move, though data is bearish, market ऊपर चले जा रहा है, ठीक है. So this is due to election times, index management will happen. And I've been kept on saying for a very long time that we might even not only 23,000, ultimately we might even reach 24k as well. Okay, and I'm not saying this now, I am saying this when Nifty was at 20,000, when the FIs bought there, okay, in the cash. So I've been kept on saying this from there as well. So anyways, that's my overall analysis. Till now the data is not out about the participant wise open interest data. And so once it gets out, I'll post it. So I'm making this video early because now, because I won't have time later on because I have to leave. And thus again, if you want to be a part of the derivatives indicator group, so you can be, and where you get access to these money flow indicators, and also you get access to this Telegram channel where I shared these HFT guys trades, where they have bought, where at what price they have bought, and what's their average price. So yes, so all those details are there, would be there, and I try my best. And I also I always be 100% transparent with every one of you. Whatever I did, many people come and say that see, we went to this guy, we were scammed and everything. I tell you that, did that guy every day showed to the public what they did? Okay, then they say no, only what happened in their group happened in their group. It did not come out to the public. They did not show themselves. If the public did it, they did. Okay, so what I do is, especially I show it every day. What happened, I show it every day. And so I remain 100% transparent, so that like people have trust. So because in stock market you need trust. Okay, and again, don't forget to take the advantage of this. So if you take the membership, so your membership count will start from Friday, but you will be added as soon as you make the payment. Okay, and if you do it today, so tomorrow's day will be at free of cost. So anyways, all the best. So if you like my analysis, if you want such analysis even during the live analysis of my in the future. If you like them, so please don't forget to put a like, and please do share it among the other traders who need such similar help. And thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.